Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Fast and Fairier. I'm your host, Danny Danilo, and these are our contestants. To our left, we have Jacob Bristolio.
Hey, Mom.
To our right, we have Dylan Guerrero.
I'll take plate tectonics for 100.
This theory on how continental plates move is a combination of both seafloor spreading and plate tectonics.
Ding! What's continental drift theory?
That is the correct answer.
I'll take plate tectonics for 200.
This plate boundary usually coexists with high heat fluxes and hydrothermal vents.
Ding! What are paper plate boundaries?
That is amazingly incorrect.
Ding, you're dumb. What are divergent plate boundaries?
That is beautifully correct.
In your face. Thanks, Dan. I'll take plate tectonics for 300.
This naturally occurring phenomenon led to the creation of the Hawaiian Islands Emperor Seamounts.
Ding! Who is Barack Obama?
That is wrong.
Thanks, Obama.
Ding! What is a hotspot?
This is good. Contestants, welcome to Final Fast and Fairier. Your question for tonight is, this oceanographic cartographer mapped the seafloor during World War II to reveal long volcanic mountain chains. You have 1 minute. Contestants, we've reached the final round. Jacob, we're starting with you.
Dan, I prepared my whole life for this one. Who is
Wow.
Anderson Cooper?
This is extremely sad. You bet a lot of money on such a
3,500.
stupid response.
Wait, what?
This is wrong
Are you joking?
and not even close. Dylan, it's up to you.
I did. Who is retard?
I cannot believe you just got the right answer for 0 points.
You're an idiot.
I can't.
You're an idiot.
This is unfathomable.
No.
After an incredible round, the winner is Dylan. I'm grateful that you watched Fast and Fairier with us. I'm disappointed in our contestants, but I hope you join us tomorrow for senior culture learning and next week for more Fast and Fairier.